Thank you for joining us today for HPSM's Provider Onboarding Series on Rights and Responsibilities. This is the fifth of 6 videos we've created to welcome providers to HPSM. In this video, we'll cover rights and responsibilities for both members and providers. Let's get started. HPSM member rights and responsibilities are established by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, Department of Healthcare Services, and HPSM policies and procedures. You'll receive a list of member rights and responsibilities in HPSM's Provider Manual in Section 2, which you can read online. HPSM members have the right to submit complaints to HPSM. Information about the complaints process is included in the Provider Manual because providers may file complaints on behalf of members or assist members in filing a complaint. HPSM may also ask providers for assistance in resolving member complaints through requests for additional medical information or the provider's perspective on a complaint. Members have different complaint rights depending upon the line of business in which the member is enrolled. There are 2 types of complaints the member can file: a grievance or an appeal. A grievance is a complaint expressing dissatisfaction with an aspect of HPSM or a provider. Examples of a grievance include quality of care, customer service, difficulty accessing care and/or timeliness of care, billing-related issues such as receipt of a balance bill or collections notice, and other issues, such as HIPAA violations. An appeal is a complaint about HPSM's denial of coverage or reimbursement. In an appeal, a member or a provider requests HPSM reconsiders its decision regarding a service that was either denied, limited, or taken away. Examples of a situation in which a member might file an appeal include a denied request for service, a denied request for payment to a provider, a denied request for reimbursement to a member, and others. You can learn more about grievances and appeals as well as submission guidelines and requirements in our Provider Manual. Our Provider Manual also has our provider rights and responsibilities, which you can review in Section 8. A network provider's responsibilities extend to their entire practice, not just the provider themselves, so please familiarize yourself with these important requirements. If a provider is dissatisfied with any aspect of HPSM's operations or any actions taken against the HPSM staff members, vendors, or other providers, the provider may file a grievance. A provider grievance is a formal complaint stating the provider's dissatisfaction. Providers may submit grievances orally or in writing. HPSM will process all provider grievances regardless of whether any remedial action is requested by the provider. HPSM offers the provider dispute resolution process to resolve claims issues. The following claims issues can be addressed through HPSM's PDR process: claims believed to be inappropriately denied, adjusted, or contested, resolution of a billing determination or other contract dispute, disagreement with a request for reimbursement of any overpayment of a claim, or retrospective review of an authorization request accompanying claim. Providers should submit their dispute through submissions of a PDR form. Primary care physicians have the right to request member reassignment from their panel once all attempts outlined in the policy and procedure have been met. Please be sure to review the policy and procedure to ensure that member termination requests are carefully reviewed and care is taken to preserve members' rights against retaliation and discrimination due to age, race, gender, or health status. Once all attempts have been made to reconcile and the attempts do not confirm resolution, a PCP has the opportunity to complete and submit the Complex Care Management Referral Form to request member outreach assistance. As a final step, if there is no resolution, the PCP may complete and submit a provider request for member termination form to request removal from their panel. As part of the HPSM network, providers have a wide range of rights and responsibilities, so please make sure you familiarize yourself with them by reviewing our Provider Manual. You can also direct questions to psinquiries@hpsm.org. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.